Good morning, children. You know very well that myself Sonu Misra, and I am a subject teacher of SST, that is Social Study. I am going to start the today's online class. Before I am going to class, I am just giving you one instruction for all my lovely student. Please keep your book in front of you, because what I write here on this blackboard, it is just related to your one by one topic of your SST book. I would like to congratulate for all the students, because you are already promoted to the next of class, and I just wanted to aware to all of you, because as you know that our world is facing a very dangerous disease, that is the COVID-19, which is a very dangerous for all of us, and we should follow the instruction which is given by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, that has already declared for the peoples that please live at your home. And we know that there is no any type of inventions or discovery of this medicine. So to stop this kind of a disease, we should have to keep at our home, live at home. So it is the way that we will save from the disease. यही एक ऐसा जरिया है जिससे हम लोग इस बीमारी से अलग हो सकते हैं और दूर रह सकते हैं. Now the students, I am going to start today's online class. You will see in your book, our first chapter is when, where and how. Today, before I am going to start this chapter, I just wanted to remember you the previous chapter, which is from the 6th. As we know that history is divided into three parts, that is the ancient, medieval and the modern. And we already learned about the ancient, which was roughly from the 10th to 7th, 8th century. And now we reach on that stage the middle history. And the time of the middle history is from the 700 AD to 1700 AD. Dear student, you know very well what is the meaning of AD. AD means Anno Domini, after the birth of Jesus Christ. And now we have to be learned about in this chapter, in this whole class, the medieval period of Indian history. Students, medieval comes from the Latin word medieval. It is the real meaning of the Middle Age. So we will consider that the ancient period, between the ancient period and the modern period, that time period is called the medieval period. And students, this medieval period is divided into two parts. इस medieval period को दो भागों में बांटा गया है, that is the early medieval period and the later medieval period. Early medieval period is from the 700 AD to 1300 AD, and later medieval period is 1300 AD to 1700 AD. In an early medieval period, we have to study about the rulers, the kingdoms, that dynasty which were emerged from the 700 to 1300. In a northern place, they ruled over India. That was the Rajput and the Cholas. The two kingdoms were emerged in that period, and they always tried to dominate one another. वे हमेशा एक दूसरे पर डोमिनेट होने की कोशिश करते थे, and they always wanted to spread the kingdoms. और वे चाहते थे उनका साम्राज्य फैले, due to the some political reasons, due to the some economical reasons. ये सारे reasons थे, so that's why they always conflict one to another. वो हमेशा एक दूसरे के विरोध में रहते थे। देन आफ्टर वी कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द लेटर medieval period. And later medieval periods we have to study about the first from the Delhi Sultanate and the last from the Mughal Sultanate, Mughal Empire. And we know very well the Delhi Sultanate, the Turkish Mongolo, has come to India and they ruled over India. And the Mughal Empire, which was established by the Babur. Babur was the founder of, Babur was the first king, Babur was the first sultan that ruled over India. Now, the next topic is the impact of geography. What was the impact of geography? क्या प्रभाव है हमारे भौगोलिक दिशाओं का, भौगोलिक जगहों का हमारे इस भारत पे? We know very well that India is a vast, huge country along with their coastal area. हम अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि हमारा भारतवर्ष एक बहुत ही बड़ा साम्राज्य था एंशिएंट टाइम में, जिसके समुद्र तटीय इलाके थे. And India, even India today, their subcontinent was counted Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan and Nepal also. And some kind of a place, कुछ ऐसे जगह थे that was very well developed because they all are joined to the coastal area. हम सभी जानते हैं वे सभी कोस्टल एरिया से, because टाइम बाय टाइम इन जगहों पर रूट्स की खोज होती थी. दे न्यू किंगडम्स, किंग्स, सुल्तान always try to spread, to expand their kingdoms. ये जितने सारे राजा थे वे अपने साम्राज्य का विस्तारीकरण करना चाहते थे, जिसकी वजह से वे एक दूसरे से लड़ा करते थे. ड्यू टू द लैकनेस ऑफ यूनिटी, द न्यू किंगडम्स केम इन इंडिया. उनमें एकता की कमी थी और इन चीजों का फायदा उठाकर दूसरे जगह के जितने साम्राज्य के जो सम्राट थे वे एक आए और उन्होंने अपने साम्राज्य को फैलाया. नाउ दैट वाज द कोस्टल एरिया, दैट इज द पोर्ट बॉम्बे, कोचिन, सूरत एंड मसौलीपट्टनम. दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्ट्स दैट वर वेल डेवलप्ड ऑन दैट टाइम. इसलिए यहां विकास का अगर बात करें तो शुरुआत ही इन पोर्ट के इलाकों से हुई. And the next topic is changing name term. First of all, I would like to tell you all the students, let's try to understand how we will identify there is a changing in our society. How we will identify there is a development is going in our society. Just see here, the remarkable changes is also identified to show that the changing is being occurred, like changing in social, changing in political, changing in cultural, changing in economic activities. These are all types of remarkable changes that show about the changes is in continuously form. Now the development, how we will identify, कैसे हम लोग पहचानेंगे? The changing in technology, changing in architectural style, the changing in literary sources. These all types of the things always show that many type of changes happen day by day. In spite of this, we always have to be aware about this development and the remarkable change. Now, the next topic is, to your book, you see there, the next topic is changing name term. You know very well that student, India is always affected by the outermost countries. हम लोग अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि इंडिया, हमारा भारत हमेशा बाहरी ताकतों से प्रभावित होता आया है। एंड टाइम बाय टाइम मेनी नेम्स चेंजेस, और समय दर समय बहुत सारे हमारे भारतवर्ष के नाम भी चेंज हुए हैं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट, द सप्त सिंधु। द सप्त सिंधु, that is the Hindu, the term word come from the Sanskrit word सप्त सिंधु, 7 नदियों का जहां बहती हो वो सप्त सिंधु कहलाती है। तो इंडिया को सप्त सिंधु के नाम से भी जाना गया। नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज भारतवर्षा। वी नो दैट Bharat was a king. He was a son of Dushyanta, and he was a good king on that time. So on the name of Bharat, our country name is Bharatvarsha. Many invaders, many invasions came in India, and because of that they spread many literary sources, their knowledges, their scripts, and because of that the Arabic and Persian called Hindustan. Next one is Aryavart. It means the land of Aryans, मतलब आर्यों की भूमि को आर्यावर्त कहा जाता है। These are the changing terms of the name of our India. And also Bharat, Hindustan, India, Aryavart, Riva. These all are the names of ancient name of India. ये हमारे भारत के पौराणिक नेम है। And now the next topic. Our next topic is the sources of medieval history. Now see the student very clearly. Sources of medieval history. What are the sources of medieval history? We know very well that it is a very tough to be understand the medieval period. So that is why, because of our convenience, it is a very important to divide this medieval period, and it will be very helpful to understand the medieval period, that was the early medieval period and the later medieval period. So that is why some kind of sources that always tell us about when we build, when we immerse, when it driven form, and these all type of things we will know about that. हम सभी इस चीजों को जान पाते हैं एक स्रोत के द्वारा, एक सोर्सेस के द्वारा। एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्लियर द टॉपिक दैट इज द सोर्सेस ऑफ मेडाइवल पीरियड। आज मध्यकालीन भारत को जानने के लिए कुछ स्रोत है हमारा, उस स्रोत से हम पता करेंगे हमारा मध्यकालीन भारत कैसा था। नाउ सी हियर द इंस्क्रिप्शंस। Inscriptions are the kinds of the things that is always immersed, that is right on the metal, rock and stone. You can see very easily the big pillars, as in the pillars, the tradition of the pillars started by the Ashoka, driven by the Maurya Empire. अशोका ने स्तंभ पर अपने लिपियों को लिखना चालू किया, जिससे हमें पता चल पाया कि ये कब बनाया गया, क्या क्या लिपियां यूज की गई। And the pastiches, the long poem, when the many poets were walk in the courtyards of the king, they always write about the king. जब भी दरबारी में जो दरबार रहा करते थे तो वो पोएम भी लिखा करते थे, जैसे पृथ्वीराज रासो चंद्रवरदाई के द्वारा लिखा गया है। इसमें पृथ्वी राज चौहान के बारे में लिखा गया है। ये हमारा लॉन्ग पोएम। एपिग्राफी, स्टडी ऑफ द मेटल, रॉक एंड पोम। सो इसलिए इसको क्या कहा गया, एपिग्राफी मतलब इस पिलर्स के बारे में, मेटल के बारे में जो जानकारियां मिलती है उसको पढ़ने की कला को एपिग्राफी बोला गया है। अब पॉइंट्स, because of the new establishment, new tradition to starting in the era of the trading. अपने ट्रेडिंग को, अपनी व्यापारी चीजों को अच्छी तरह से अपने मार्केट्स को बनाने के लिए टाइम बाय टाइम मेनी किंग्स हैज स्टार्टिंग अ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द थिंग्स. अपने अपने नए नए चीजों को उन्होंने प्रारंभ किया, स्टार्ट किया. एंड दैट वाज स्टार्टेड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ द क्वाइन. क्वाइन के रूपों में, मुद्राओं के रूपों में उन्होंने इस चीज को स्टार्ट किया, प्रारंभ किया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द पेंटिंग. Painting are also very important to understand about the medieval period, because where I understand that the medieval period is to be only understand about that the many type of languages which is written as a painting, what type of a costume they were used, what type of a thinking skill they were used in painting, what type of a style we are using, what type of architectural things we are using. So many things we will know about through the painting. पेंटिंग की मदद से हम ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजों की जानकारी प्राप्त कर लेते हैं. What type of a dressing sense were used by the ancient people? कैसे तरह का ड्रेसिंग सेंस था उनका, किस तरह से लोग रहते थे, which type of ornaments they were used by the women, किस तरह से औरत जो है वो यूज करती थी ऑर्नामेंट्स को, अपने आभूषण को, किस तरह की पोइट्री होती थी उन लोगों की. ये सारी चीजों की जानकारी पेंटिंग से हमें मिल जाती है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द इंडिजियस. इंडिजियस इन अ मॉडर्न पीरियड, मध्यकालीन युगीन के दौरान, वी नो वेरी वेल दैट ऑल टाइप ऑफ इंस्क्रिप्शन एंड मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स वे रिटन ओनली ऑन द पाम लीफ क्लॉथ स्टोन. और बहुत सारे ऐसी जो चीजें हैं जो इंडिजियस सोर्सेस को बताती हैं, जैसे बाबरनामा बाबर के द्वारा लिखा गया, अकबरनामा अफुल फजल के द्वारा लिखा गया, ये सारी हुमायूंनामा गुलबदन बानो बेगम के द्वारा लिखा गया. ये सारी जो सोर्सेस है जो इंडिजियस सोर्सेस को डिनोट्स करती हैं. नाउ द फॉरेन अकाउंट. India is developed as a various kingdom, various dynasty. बहुत सारी सभ्यताएं आई, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें आई. And because of that, India has many types of things that was going to be developed. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जो है वो डेवलप होने जा रही थी. And that was the very big reason, और वही एक कारण था that has to become the many scholars, the many travelers came in India. और यही कारण था कि बहुत सारे इन्वेडर्स, बहुत सारे इन्वेशंस को भारत में आने पर लोगों को मजबूर कर दिया. एंड दैट वाज, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल द सम नेम फॉर द फॉरेन अकाउंट्स. दैट इज द अल-बरूनी, ही केम इन 11th century. इब्न बतूता केम इन 14th century. एंड मार्को पोलो, द एम्बेसडर who came in a Sultanate period. Now, the next topic is the new religious tradition. It is the last topic of our chapter. The new religious tradition. In a medieval period, and because of the touch with the Turkish, Mongolo and different invaders, the many religions also came in India, and we were impacted by that religious start. That is a form of the Bhakti and the Sufism. Sufism was a kind of a tradition which was started by the Muslims, and the Bhakti Andolan is for the Hindus. And on the basis of this religious thing, new religious has been emerged. And they spread their motto, their views, love, affection, brotherhood towards the people. लोगों में भाईचारा, प्यार, मोहब्बत, इन सभी सारी चीजों को, and they also join to the special for to the gods, अपने गॉड को अपनी आत्मा से जोड़ने का एक तरीका, ये सारी जो चीजें थी वो नए रिलीजियस ट्रेडिशन को दर्शाती हैं। एंड नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स, द ऑल चैप्टर ऑफ दिस when, where and how is completed. And now for your the homework, you can see very easily, and after this page it is already given in your book. Most of the question, fill in the blanks, match the following and answer the following. You solve it. Till then, Jai Hind, keep safe, do safe, and live at your own aim, and aware yourself, not you and also your family, your neighborhood.